Hello, my creative friends. Jessica Sanders here of ColorMeCreativeArt.com. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a preview class for my latest Skillshare, which is Beautiful Blue Skies. So I hope you enjoy this short little lesson. And if you'd like to join me on Skillshare, that would be awesome.
Let's paint a cerulean sky with clouds. Now, as we talked about in the technique section, we're actually right now starting out by painting around the cloud, the negative shape painting of the top of the cloud. Remember to use the side of your brush rather than the tip to create that edge that will be a little bit more natural looking than if you use the tip of your brush. And then we'll go in and we just soften the edges as we go. And now we're actually painting the shadowy parts of the cloud along with the sky. Next, we'll use a tissue to lift out areas to make that soft edges of the cloud and make it really light in color. So it's just going to have a touch of the color left after you use the tissue and will create the look of a cloud. While everything is still nice and wet, I'm dropping in more of our cerulean blue color just to deepen it and darken it in the top and bottom areas around the cloud. I'm keeping everything very loose and flowing. Again, I'm softening more of those edges. I want just a few like really bright highlights, which would be the white of the paper, and I want everything else to be really soft. As I'm lifting with the tissue, you'll see me twist and turn my hand. That's so that I don't necessarily get the same pattern that I would by putting it the same way every time. I also turn the tissue once it's saturated in one area so that I'm not putting color back down on the paper, but I have a clean side of the tissue to lift out more of the color. And keep in mind that the places where we touch the tissue, the paper is going to be drier. So keep your eyes open, watching for hard edges. If you don't want hard edges to form, you may have to do some softening. And in those really wet areas, I can still add in more color just to deepen those edges and really draw your eye toward the center.